Hi, and welcome to College Cambria live stream event. Here today, I will chat to you about our travel and tourism courses that we run, along with answering any questions that you may have about any of our courses. But firstly, I'd like you to watch the video, which will come on shortly.
Careers are worldwide, and employment choices vast. From cabin crew and overseas reps to customer service, events management and business travel, the world really is your oyster. Industry experts, conferences and guest speakers will inspire you to succeed, teaching you in specialist facilities using the latest technology. The opportunity of work placement abroad awaits you when the time is right. The tourism sector in Wales and the UK is expanding. Are you ready to see where it takes you? Say yes to new adventures. Escape the ordinary. Life is a journey. Choose College Cambria for your next step.
Great, hope you enjoyed that. So many of our past students on that video and ones that are progressing to the next level, which is lovely to see them. So what courses do we offer then? So we offer courses from level 1 right up to foundation degree. So firstly, I'll just talk about level 1 and 2. Those courses are there purposely to develop your confidence and employability skills, along with studying a wide range of modules which are assessed through practical activities and written assessments. The level 2 has a worldwide travel exam, which is multiple choice online, along with assignments as evidence of any work that you are completing. So the level 3, which is a 2-year program, this is equivalent to 3 A levels at the end, and obviously gives you points then for a foundation degree with us or to move on to employment. So that is a 2-year program. It has 13 units in total, 6 in the first year, which includes 2 exams, and 7 in the second year. I will talk about the modules that you study on those courses later on. So new this year is our foundation degree, which is called the Visitor Economy Foundation Degree in conjunction with Chester University. An exciting programme. This is to develop a management-centred approach and understanding of 3 interrelated areas of hospitality, tourism and events. Again, that's in conjunction with Chester University, which I said earlier. So what modules will you study on the foundation degree? So this degree, you could do level 1, level 2, level 3, and then progress to this, or from level 2 to level 3 and progress to the foundation degree. So the units that you'll study are managing service experiences, event tourism, work-based approach and practices, tourism concepts, food and beverage management events, marketing for tourism and events. You will sustainable tourism in practice, researching the visitor economy and working in the visitor economy, opportunities for days out and possible trips overseas as well. The last bit, all of the students would then create a live event at the end, which is really exciting. So any students that are currently at College Cambria, then there is a bursary on offer for this course of £1,000, which will be awarded in 2 instalments in the first year. So great, exciting programme. Your lessons will be 2 days a week, and the rest of the time will be studying, independent study. So level 1, 2 and 3, what courses, what topics do we offer? Well, you're normally in 4 days a week. If you haven't got your Maths and English, then you will study that within your programme. If you have got your Maths and English, then that's great. So the sort of modules that we deliver are UK, European and worldwide destinations, along with looking at their visitor attractions in those places. We study customer service in the travel and tourism industry. We also then deliver a working overseas module, which is geared up for people that want to go and work overseas with a tour operator such as TUI or Jet2 Holidays. So you'll be a representative in the resort, handling any queries, questions from your holiday makers, doing welcome meetings. There are other opportunities to work in as administration or working as children's reps also. Another module we deliver is working in the airline industry. So you could be working, studying work at the airport, or working as cabin crew on board a flight. We also study marketing, so that has your social media within that and how to market organisations. Then we have passenger transport, and lastly, responsible tourism, which is a great favourite unit of mine. I'm sure you will enjoy that one. So there are opportunities to travel abroad. So we have educational visits. So unfortunately this year we didn't get to go to Rome because of everything that's happened, but hopefully that will be back on track for September onwards. They also have a 2-week work placement overseas, which we organise for you, and that will be in your second year of study. So that's 2 weeks in Europe, working with local employers such as visitor attractions and the hospitality industry. So we have a question of how to become cabin crew. Some of the full-time courses do have a cabin crew course module to study, but we also offer an evening course which is 12 weeks long, and it's 3 hours a night. So check the website out for further details on that. Companies we work with and have partnerships with: Jet2 Holidays, TUI, Hayes Travel, British Airways, lots of hotels including Carden Park, the Abode in Chester, etc. We have a good relationship with the Wrexham Tourism Board, and we also have some plenty of guest speakers that come into the college to chat with you, and this includes employers and ex-students. So progression into employment, you're probably wondering what type of jobs that you can go into. As you know, the tourism industry is now getting back on its feet after being closed down for a couple of months. So other opportunities would be to work in visitor attractions such as Chester Zoo, Alton Towers, Blackpool Pleasure Beach. We also have some great links with travel agents. So you could end up being a travel agent in the office or working from home. We got close links with tour operators such as Jet2 and TUI for their overseas programs. So you could end up doing summer season abroad with them, or you could be doing a winter season. Our winter season connection is a company called Worker Season. They come in around about April time. We've got really good links with those. Plenty of our past students have worked and are still working next contracts with them. So they offer a ski sort of snowboard season. Their positions are children's representatives, or you can work front of house in their hospitality parts in their hotels and chalets. If you're a budding chef, then you could work in the kitchens as a chef or a kitchen porter. Great opportunities with them, and really get a chance to ski or snowboard in your spare time. Hospitality and events tourism is a great career to get into. So that's another employment opportunity. Working as cabin crew. So as we know, the airline industry is back again on its feet, trying to get as many flights out as possible to safe destinations. So we do have plenty of connections with airline organisations. And then lastly, cruise ship operations, which are another great career that you could embark onto. There's plenty of different positions available on board cruise ships once they start sailing again. So I'm here now to answer any questions that anybody may have. So you can either pop them in the chat, and then we'll discuss those questions with everybody that's watching. Hi, Poppy. Yes. Will this course help me if I want to become cabin crew? So depending on which level you do, we do have some modules within the courses. However, we talk about the industry, talk about cabin crew all of the time. We have a lot of ex-students come in as well to share their experiences with you. How old are you, Poppy? Oh, not got an answer. So if you're 16, generally coming from school, you would either do level 1, 2, or 3, depending on your grades. And then also we can incorporate the cabin crew modules as well into those courses. Thank you. Owen, what happens if I don't get my maths GCSE? Well, hopefully you will. However, if you don't, not all is lost, because you can resit your maths GCSE with us at college, which will be built into your timetable. And you can still do the travel and tourism course alongside. Gareth, hi. What type of events do we do for the live event? That's for the foundation degree. Once you've studied that module as a group, all of you with your peers, you will decide what live event that you will create and invite guests to. It could be anything from a mini festival, it could be promoting a destination, it could be a conference, could be, well, quite a few ideas there. Thank you, Gareth. Okay, I'm just waiting to see if there's any more questions out there. Hi, Angela. Do you cover studies working in North Wales? Do you cover studies for working in North Wales? We have a lot of connections with the North Wales tourism. For example, one of my units I teach is responsible tourism and rural tourism, where we get to go out to all the attractions in North Wales. We sort of do a sort of whistle-stop tour of North Wales. And maybe plan and stay overnight. So we have connections with the I can't remember what it's called now, where the Zip Wire, lots of places in Betsacoed, Surf Snowdonia, and then some other local attractions up in Portmadoc and Betsacoed Way. So yeah. You do? See if there's any more questions. So how to apply then? So if you visit the College Cambria website and then click on courses, all the travel and tourism courses and the foundation degree will come up there. Foundation degree will come up in higher education tab, whereas level 1, 2 and 3 will come up in the further education tab. So you can click on those and apply online. Any further information, you can email studentservices@cambria.ac.uk. So that's studentservices@cambria.ac.uk. Okay, we've got another question. Ellie, hi. What do we learn about trips abroad? Okay, well, the trips abroad will be an educational visit. You will learn about the destinations within your modules. So, for example, we would study Italy and all the different attractions in Italy, all the airports that they have, any cruise terminals that they have, and then we'd have assignments on that, or that could be an online exam, depending on what level you do. The trips abroad are educational visits. So this year we had planned for Rome, and the 2-week work experience placement was in Italy, northern Italy, but we couldn't. They couldn't go through for obvious reasons. So we're planned to do Rome again, and the 2-week work experience that would be in your second year. That depends on funding, and it would be a possibility of Tenerife with the Whale Foundation. Okay, so we don't have any more questions. So again, you can thank you for watching and listening about our courses today. So again, how to apply, visit the College Cambria website for level 1, 2 and 3. That will be further education tab, and for foundation degree, take a look at that. It's a brilliant, exciting new course that we're offering, and that will be on the higher education tab. Again, if you need any more help or information, email studentservices@cambria.ac.uk. And thank you for listening. Have a nice day.